From shipyards of innovation to global waters of excellence, there are leaders who build the future of maritime industry. Our recipient is the Managing Director of Al Bawadi Daman, returns to receive the AMRI Honorary Industrial Doctorate. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have the recipient on screen, please? Please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Lars Seastrup once again. Mr. Lars Seastrup, Managing Director of Al Bawadi Daman, is receiving his AMRI Honorary Industrial Doctorate in Global Maritime and Logistics Transformation. A round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen.
This time, I think I would like to just say thank you, and I want to say thank you to Sir Hun Roy, but I also want to say thank you to Dubai and to the United Arab Emirates for giving you unique opportunities for working together, creating teams of multinational. We are alone in the shipyard, we are 27 different nationalities. But if we then take the Indians, then we are even more, have so many cultures in India. So it is a unique opportunity for me to have been able to work and be allowed to work with so many different people in this part of the world. And it's a unique opportunity which gives you a great learning. But I'm at the end of the career. The important thing is that the young people get this learning. They know when they have been through the education system, when they have been trained in Dubai, they will know how to behave and how to actually conquer the world also outside the UAE. So thank you to the UAE for giving these opportunities. Thank you so much for the representatives we have here today. It's a unique country you have. Thank you so much.